Assalamu alaikum. This is Eman Kashif and I'm proud to introduce myself as the head girl of Roots Ivy International Faisalabad campus. It has been 5 consecutive years that this institution has given me everything that a girl could dream of. And for me, it is my duty to thank Roots and Ma'am Khadija for every prestigious platform. From Cambridge results to science exhibition, from MUNs to Olympiads, summer schools and everything I could think of. I have done everything just because Ma'am Khadija gave me this opportunity. And with all the support and experience, I can confidently say that I have secured acceptances in all my favorite universities. So I would like to thank Ma'am Khadija, Ma'am Noor, my principal, our counselor, our coordinators who have worked so hard. And because of all this, saying a goodbye to Roots is the hardest thing. But I'm pretty sure that Roots has made me capable enough